Sometimes when gardening, you just have to bend over for a long time, and that's okay. But when you do, don't just stand up and go about your business. Take a second to bend your back the other way. Start by arching your back and turning your arms out. Move through your full ranges of motion by rounding forward and then turning your arms in. Then go back into extension, lengthening the front of your body and contracting the back. Then tip side to side. With a tall spine, let your arms slide down each side of your body. Be careful not to drive this motion through your shoulders. Instead, make the spine really do the work, moving as far as you can on each side. And then finish with some rotations. Turn a palm up and rotate back as far as you can, wringing out any tightness you might feel. Retract your shoulder blade as you finish each turn and try to feel a stretch through the chest. 5 repetitions of these 3 moves will help reset your spine after a long session of gardening stooped over. Also a great daily reset even if you're not in the garden, so use them often.